go. Today we have an overview of a transport for the smallest children, the children's folding jogging stroller from Britax Romer, B-Agile 3. This model is designed for convenient and quick traveling in the city. B-Agile 3 is suitable for children until they reach the age of 4. At the same time, you should take into account the maximum permissible weight of the child, that is 15 kilograms. If you have a baby carrier or a car seat, you can easily install it on a base and use the stroller from your baby's birth. Let's overview the stroller from the eyes of a demanding parent. Specifications. Due to a special mechanism, the stroller is folded and unfolded with one hand. At the same time, you can hold your child with the second hand. Before folding it, it is recommended to fold the hood for a greater compactness and remove the bumper. So to fold the stroller, press the button and pull the belt in the middle of the seat. Do not worry that the stroller will unfold by itself. The clamp is locked automatically and holds it in the desired position. To unfold the stroller, turn the clip under the button and raise the stroller by the handle. It's convenient and easy. 5-point safety belt is adjusted depending on the height of the child. You can change the height of the belt using the holes in the seat cover and change the length by changing the position of the clips on the belts. The belt is equipped with comfortable breast shells that will help your baby to love it and not resist. The stroller backrest is adjusted from a lying position for newborns to a sitting position for older children. You need to lower the belts in the rear to a maximum position. To get the backrest back to the sitting position, pull these belts. The stroller is equipped with a footrest, but it is not adjusted. A large hood will protect your baby from the sun. It is equipped with a peekaboo window with a mosquito net, so we can look at your baby at any time. You can also increase slightly the hood due to an additional sector with the mosquito net, that is, unfastened. This is a model of the stroller with 3 wheels. They are made of polyurethane. The front wheel is swivel, which ensures maneuverability of the stroller. It is especially important in megapolises. If necessary, you can also fix it in one position. You need to put down the button over the wheel. Raise it to unlock accordingly. Amortization of the front wheels ensures a smooth moving of the stroller, even on a bumpy surface. The rear tires are unpierceable. Wheels are blocked by one button. To do this, raise it and the wheels are locked, or lower it down to unlock. The stroller handle is sewn round with soft fabric. It is nice and comfortable and hands will not slip on it. Behind the stroller there is a convenient pocket, large enough for things. It can be completely removed if necessary. There is a mesh panel behind the seat which provides a better air circulation. It is especially necessary in hot summer. A rather spacious basket will help you to make your walks with your child comfortable. You can put there all necessary things for mother and baby, and even go shopping on the way home. The basket is designed for a weight of about 4 kilograms. The fabric part of the seat can be removed and washed if necessary. The stroller is universal. Click-and-go adapters allow you to install any car seat or carrier from Britax Romer, convenient for you or needed just right at the moment, with one move. This allows you to travel around the city with comfort for mother, baby and others. The stroller is quite compact in size and is lightweight. Its weight with the hood is 9.5 kilograms. This is a particularly pleasant feature for all those who live in buildings without an elevator. The written user's manual comes fitted with a stroller. We have just reviewed the children's jogging stroller of the German brand Britax Romer, B-Agile 3. The stroller is designed for children from birth to the age of 4. Mobile, all-terrain, with the ability to replace the wheels and a good suspension. Compact in a folded position and light, due to a light but sound aluminium frame. Moreover, it has a stylish and beautiful look. Thank you for being with us today. I hope you enjoyed this video overview. Subscribe and wait for the next videos.